The blender can be the star of your restaurant. If you need to crank out 100 smoothies, or if you need to make a really velvety sauce, or even things like cold milk foam, you're going to need a quality blender. Blendtec Commercial has the best blenders on the market. But why would you go with Blendtec when you can just go over to the box store, or you can go to the members club and pick up a blender from them? And why would you choose Blendtec over other commercial brands? These are questions they don't teach you in school. I'm Chef Austin with Everything Kitchens, and we're going to go over all of these questions so you can feel confident in your blender choice. So why not just go to the members club or to the box store to pick up your blender? You've seen the infomercials where the box store blender is just destroying the competition. But is that true? Here are the reasons why you want to avoid the box store blender. The number one reason you want to avoid the box store blender is that they are not safe for a restaurant environment. Many of the blenders you can get off the shelf have not been tested or certified by the National Sanitation Foundation, or the NSF. If you're going to be using a non-NSF blender or any other non-NSF tool for that matter, your health inspector can and will call you out for it. Tools like these can harbor harmful bacteria that can make your customer sick. That's because those tools were not designed to be cleaned to a health inspection standard. The second reason you want to avoid the box store blender is because they are not durable. Cheap blenders are made from cheap parts, and you'll be burning through the motor of that box store blender because they were not designed to handle the high volume of a restaurant environment. If you try to go that route, you'll be replacing that $200 budget blender multiple times a year. Plus, those less expensive blenders are made from cheaper and more brittle plastic. And that's not going to handle the stress of a commercial kitchen, and it's not going to handle any drops or falls. Plus, you don't want any plastic in your customer's food. The third reason you want to avoid the box store blender is because they are not powerful. Those box store blenders are not going to deliver a restaurant quality result that your customers expect. Typically, they have much smaller motors, poorly designed blender jars, and blender blades that are only going to give you a subpar result. That means wasted time in the kitchen, wasted product, and worst of all, chunky smoothies no one wants to drink. Now you see the reasons why you want to avoid the box store blender. Let's take a look at some reasons why you want to choose Blendtec as your commercial blender. The number one reason you want to choose Blendtec as your commercial blender is because they are safe. Everything from the blender jar to the blender base has been NSF certified and is ready for commercial kitchen use. And their blender jars are safe too. They're made from an ultra durable BPA-free material, they're easy to clean, and they're going to make the health inspector happy. The second reason why you want to choose Blendtec as your commercial blender is because they are durable. Blendtec blenders are an investment that the company stands behind. You get a 1-year warranty on all of their blender jars. You get a 3-year warranty on the blender motor, and you get a lifetime warranty on the drive socket and the blender blades. The blender jar is strong enough for you to stand on. It's going to survive the use and abuse of a commercial kitchen. The number 3 reason why you want to choose Blendtec as your commercial blender is because they are powerful. Blendtecs were designed knowing you're going to be blending night and day all year long. You're not going to find any cheap plastic or thin metal blades on a Blendtec. Their motors are the most powerful on the market, sporting up to a 3.8 peak horsepower motor. With a motor that powerful, they've designed their blades to be blunt rather than sharp. With a powerful motor and a blunt blade, you can actually pulverize food much more finely than a sharp metal blade can. And that's going to get you the smoothest blends for your customers. Blendtec can make your operation successful. But what about the other brands? Here's the reasons why you want to choose Blendtec over other commercial blenders. Blendtec blenders are less maintenance. There's no wasting time or money replacing drive sockets or blender blades like with the competition. Blendtec also has the smartest blenders on the market. The competition can require you to purchase additional hardware to add a custom blend cycle to the blender. With Blendtec, not only do you get up to 42 pre-programmed blend cycles out of the box, you can also add a custom blend cycle via a simple USB flash drive. With a custom blend cycle, you can tell the blender when to speed up, when to slow down, and how long to run. And that's going to get you the perfect blend for your recipes. Not only is that going to save you time and money in the kitchen, it's also going to be easy on your employees. With a smart blender, employees need minimal training. Blendtec also doesn't have a confusing jar system. A Blendtec blender jar is going to fit on a Blendtec blender. It's as simple as that. So which commercial Blendtec do you need for your operation? Be sure to watch our next video where we're going to go over all of the blenders that Blendtec commercial offers so you can get the perfect one for your restaurant, coffee shop, or bar. We'll see you guys next time.